Morning guys. Okay, on your driving test you will be turning right here at Thornbury Test Centre. So here, check your mirrors, look at the floor markings, remain in your lane. As it's a spiral roundabout, once you go past this exit you will need to pull toward this yellow bollard. There we are. Now look in your mirrors, make sure you're in your lane, increase your speed, check your mirrors, observe the new speed limit, look at the warning sign telling you somebody could be crossing, increase your speed, look in your right door mirror, gently increase. Now usually you'll be going ahead here, or you may be turning left. If you are turning left here, you will see a 30 miles an hour speed limit sign that you would need to observe before you go in. That means you'd have to reduce your speed going in, making sure you're below 30 miles an hour. Excuse me. As you're going along this road, you'll be then taking a sign for Bramley. So you need to be checking your right door mirror here to see what's going on. Reason why is because there's a slip road on your left that's going to come into your lane in a few moments. So we're traveling at an appropriate speed. We are at 48 miles an hour. We're looking ahead. We're now looking in our right door mirror, then look in our left door mirror to see what's going on. We look in our right mirror, look in our right door mirror, inside mirror. Now we look in the left mirror to see if anyone is coming along the carriageway and see if where they're moving across would aid them coming out into the dual carriageway. Sometimes it's not possible. If it's not possible, do not go across if it's unsafe. However, if the driver is accelerating onto that lane and there is space on the right, it's perfectly reasonable for you to move across if it's safe to do so. Otherwise, potentially there could be an accident. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.